I gotta think of an intro, hold on. You know what you should use as the intro? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing this look right here. This is my quick out the door, very easy glam. It's going to seem harder than it actually is, but I swear it's super easy once you get the hang of it. You'll be doing it in 10-15 minutes and you'll be out your door. You won't have to think about it and be ready to go. If you want to see how this look is done, please keep watching. To start this video off, we're going to do things a little bit different because for this look, I like it to be very quick, very, well, somewhat easy. This is for when I have somewhere to go and I don't have a lot of time to get ready. So for example, I do a lot of weddings, as you know. This would be something like if I've been working all day, I have no time to get ready, I have a wedding to go to or a party to go to, somewhere to go. This is my easy look that I like to do. So to start off the look, we're going to do foundation first. Or no, we're not, I lied. We're going to put on this moisturizer slash primer. This is the Embryolisse moisturizer slash primer. You only need a little bit and it just moisturizes your face like perfectly and it holds your makeup on forever, like forever. So I'm just going to evenly apply that to the face. So we're going to do face first for this one instead of eyes first, only because there's not a lot going into the eye look. So I just want to make it easy. What I hit? I just want to make it easier to go by. Usually I can get this look done in about 15 minutes, 20 minutes max when I first started doing it, but once I got the hang of it, it was like 15 minutes out the door, ready to go. While that sits, I'm going to put on a bit of the strobe cream just to add to the highlight on the cheek, give myself more of a natural highlight instead of something super harsh. So I'm just going to dab a little on my hand and I'm just going to put it in anywhere I would put any highlighter. I'm going to use the Precisely My Brow Pencil in the shade 5, or number 5, just to fill in my brows a little bit while this sits into the skin and moisturizes, and then we're going to go in with foundation. So for foundation, we're going to use, where'd it go? Oh, Tarte Clay Stick Foundation. This to me is like the easiest thing to use. It's just like one of those like apply to your face. You can use a brush, you can use a beauty blender, and like just go about it. So I'm just going to apply this to my face in strips. And I like this foundation too because it has like the coverage you need, but it's not super heavy. It's also not drying, which I really, really like. So I'm going to use a foundation brush, one of these like fluffy ones, just to blend that out. And I'm just going to go in circular motions. This foundation smells like sunscreen. So I'm just going to keep blending that out and then add if I need. So if you find like a spot needs more coverage or you're missing a little in a spot, just add as you go, because this is literally the easiest foundation to apply. So I'm just going to take the remnants of what was on the brush from blending out the foundation and I'm just going to go over my eye just a little bit. We're not going to use an eye primer today because I want to use the natural contour of my eye. Like I want to see the definition without adding a lot in the crease. So I'm just going to lightly go over it so it's not super discolored because I got bags, and just make sure it's nice and even. So next we're going to go with concealer. I'm going to use the Tarte Shape tape as usual. I'm going to use light medium sand and light. I'm going to put the light medium sand directly under the eye because it has that like orangey yellowy undertone, which is going to cancel out all the darkness. And just I'm going to spot with this one as well. Then I'm going to use the light just to brighten up under the eye a little bit too. And we're going to put a little on my forehead, my nose, Cupid's bow, and chin. To blend that out though, we're going to use a beauty blender. It's just damp and I'm going to spray it with a little bit of setting spray. The setting spray I'm going to use is the Luminous Setting Spray by Morphe, which I normally use if you watch my videos. This is so different for me, like doing eyes first, or eyes second. I always do eyes first. This is so weird. So I'm going to do it this way, like eyes after the foundation, because this is going to be an easier look and I don't need to worry about fallout. I won't have to clean up under the eye, which is nice, and this will just be super easy and ready to go quick. So to set the under eye, I'm going to use the Beauty Bakery Flour Setting Powder. I haven't used this before, so I'm actually really excited to use it. I heard 1,000,001 like good things about it. So I'm just going to use my beauty blender and I'm just going to pat that under the eye or anywhere I want to set. I like this actually. It's not super heavy and I like that. I like how it goes on, it's really nice. Doesn't smell like anything too, which is good. I hate when products have like a strong, like crazy scent that you have to smell for the whole entire day. It drives me absolutely crazy. I don't want to smell a nasty product all day. Okay. So for bronzer, we're going to use the Chanel Soleil Tan de Chanel. Did I get it? Soleil Tan de Chanel! Anyway, we're going to apply that to the cheeks. We're going to use a Delium Tools 953 brush. It's one of these like flat, like blendy brushes. We're going to warm up the product on my hand and we're going to apply it to the face. Just on the cheekbone. So I'm also going to warm up the forehead. This is a bubbly. This is my favorite drink. If you're watching, sponsor me. For a powder bronzer, we're going to go in with the Becca Sunlit bronzer, and this is the Bronze Bondi shade, which looks like this. I'm going to use a fluffy MAC brush, and this one is the 135S. I'm just going to dust over where I put the cream product, even for the forehead. Ooh. No, we're good. I thought I slipped. We're good. I'm going to also just put a little under the chin just to bronze because I'm pale. Next, we're going to use a blush, and we're going to use the New Romance Mineralize blush from MAC. I love this color because I've used it in a million videos also. I'm just going to use a fluffy blush brush for this. So now I'm just going to leave this alone and we're going to go to eyes. And for eyes, I'm going to be using, okay, I made this palette at MAC. This is one of those, like, you get the inserts. As you can tell, it's really dirty. So I don't know the colors. I mean, oh yeah, I know the colors actually. I can take them out. The one I'm going to use first is called Soft Brown, and it's like a neutral, perfect, like, transition shade. And I'm just going to put that lightly in the crease. Okay, so I'm going to use a Morphe M330 blush. I keep saying blush for brush. I don't know what's wrong with me today. Brush, and I'm just going to apply that in the crease very lightly. I don't want any like harsh line. I don't want a lot of color because I didn't put a ton of concealer or anything actually. I didn't put any primer on the eye to block out the color. So I'll have like a natural, where my creases, I'll have a natural contour, kind of like a kind of natural crease color. But I just want to add a little just to make sure everything goes on smoothly. So I'm just going to sweep it through the whole crease. So as you can tell, that just did like the tiniest little like definition. And for the full eye, we're going to be using, this is the Stila, what are they called here? Shimmer and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. So these are those little like glowy sticks. They're almost like, they look like lip glosses, and you can just directly apply them to the eye. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. So I'm going to apply this all over the lid, and I'm going to put the most of it, like the most shimmer, in the center of the eye just so it catches your attention. I'm just going to take a little stiffer brush, and I'm just going to make sure there's no like awkward lines or anything in there, just to smooth out any lines in case they're harsh. So I'm going to do the exact same thing to the other eye. I feel like this would look so good in silver. I wish I had a silver one. How nice these go on. They're so sparkly. I love this. I love a sparkly look. And I always get so many compliments whenever I use these eye sticks for whatever reason, which I mean, I can understand. Anytime I see somebody wearing one of these, I'm obsessed. But like, they don't crease, they just sit so nicely. They're not even drying, and they're so easy, like shove it on, let's go, you know? So because I'm a little bit crazier, I want a little bit more of an actual glitter. So I'm gonna take this, I never used this before, but it is the Colourpop Villains Do I Look Like I Care Glitterly Obsessed Body Glitter. So I'm thinking if you want the eyes, so I'm gonna put it on my eyes. I'm going to use like a flat brush like this, like a denser like flat brush. I'm just going to, how does this, oh, it's like jelly. This is literally like a jelly like consistency. I don't know if you can see that. Like you can like poke it. Can you see it? Okay, so I'm just going to put, okay. I'm just going to dot a little in the center. Yes, that's what I want. That's exactly what I wanted. Just a little more attention to the glitter. Okay. I'm actually obsessed with, I wonder if they have this. I feel like they have it in more colors. I'm going to buy it in every single color possible. Because I was kind of feeling silver. So I like what was going on underneath, but I was kind of feeling the silver. Yes, okay. Every time I wear these like sticks and do this kind of look, like quick, like glam, I get so many compliments, and I love to shove extra like glitter on it. A lot of times I'll just use like actual glitter, like loose glitter, and just shove a little on top just to like accentuate the sparkle. But today we're trying this out, which I'm actually gonna buy 100 more of these because I'm obsessed with them. Well, this one anyway. I hope they're all the same. But I'm obsessed with the way this looks. So I'm gonna buy 100 more and I'm gonna try every single color. It's part of the Villains collection, which is so cute. Is it supposed to burn? Okay, why am I obsessed with what's happening to my eyes right now? I already loved it, and now I'm obsessed even more. Okay, so this is what we're leaving it as, because it's cute. Okay, what's in my eye though? Oh, glitter, good. Oh yeah, that's probably why it's burning. I got it in my eye. Good, 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 good. Good, 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 good. Cool, 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 cool. No doubt, no doubt, no doubt. Okay, obsessed with Brooklyn Nine-Nine, need to stop. We're gonna take a black pencil. This is the Makeup Forever Aqua XL pencil liner, and I'm just gonna do, okay, what am I saying though? I'm gonna line the top waterline of my lashes. Does that make sense? I feel like I'm getting delusional.
Me too.
Yo, I have to buy 100 of these. And they dry too. I'm gonna throw on some lashes. The lashes I'm gonna use are the Ardell Demi wispies. I'm obsessed with these lashes, so I'm using them. I'm gonna throw those on real quick, you know? I'll just drink my blood. We're gonna use the Ardell Dark Adhesive Glue. I use it in all my videos. I'm obsessed with it. It's the only one that doesn't make my eyes go painfully. I was about to say painfully hurt. I think I need an English lesson today, or every day actually. So I'm just gonna play with the band a little bit. We're gonna get it nice and loose so it's gonna be easy to put on the eye. I was about to, you know what I was about to do? Put on the eye. If you're not super like precise with putting your lashes on, do not use dark glue because then you're gonna get all over your eye and it's gonna be a tragedy and really annoying. I'm gonna let that get tacky. That worked out. We're just gonna apply the other one. Now we're gonna take some brow gel. This is the Morphe Clear Brow Gel, which is my absolute favorite right now because my brows do not move. Why is my hair in it? I'm not sure. My brows do not move, which is a dream. So we're just gonna place those hairs where we want them. Brow gel literally saves my life. Even if if I don't fill in my brows, brow gel stops it from moving. It's just great. So now we're gonna take this is a Morphe Peach eye pencil. You can take any peach eye pencil that you have. I just find it's a little less harsh than white, and it still gives you that like dull open look, and it brightens up the eye like crazy. Now I'm just gonna add some mascara. I'm gonna use the MAC Extended Play Giga Black Lash. Giga Black Lash. I was like, what the? I love this brush because it's so skinny and tiny, and it's really good for getting like right in there, especially for like false lashes, because you don't want to get it all over the lash and all over the tip, because then you won't be able to use the lashes again. If you're one of those people that uses lashes again. Yo, this is bomb. And it's really good for bottom lashes too, actually. Look at that. Now we're gonna get some highlighter. We're gonna take the Makeup Forever. This is the Pro Light Fusion Undetectable Illuminator. This one I think is called Golden Pink. It doesn't say it on the back, but I'm pretty sure that's what it was called. So I'm just going to take like a smaller brush, like a little tiny brush like this. And I'm just going to put that on my brow bone. And it's just going to show, like, make my brow bone stick out a little bit better. And it's going to show that like very light definition. It's just going to make it show nicer and look nicer. Okay, so now we're going to put highlighter on the face. I'm not going to use the Jaclyn Hill one because I used it I think in every single video. So in this video I'm going to use like an oldie, but definitely a goodie, the MAC Soft and Gentle Mineralize Skin Finish Highlighter. And I'm just going to take a brush like this, like a little highlighter brush. I'm just going to place it wherever I feel like it should go. This is such a staple highlighter that everybody should have. It's so naturally like perfect and like gives you the perfect glow without going overboard, unless you like super layer it like sometimes I do, but it's such a good product. Last but not least, we're gonna do a lip. So you can either do a nude lip, or you could even do just a glossy lip, or even just, or you can go bold. So I have some options. I don't know if I should put, which one I should put on. Pink, like bright pink, or should I do like a nude, like this? So for lips, I'm gonna use the Stila Stay All Day liquid lipstick, and this is Perla, this color right here. It's like a very nude, has like a pink undertone. I'm gonna line my lips with a Morphe lip liner, and it's called Ginger. You can, at this point, put whatever lip you want. You can do a bold lip, you can do a nude lip, you can do just gloss, you can do anything you want. Also, you don't have to put on lashes if you don't want to. You could have just put mascara on and gone about your day. It still looks equally good with a couple coats of mascara, and you always will get compliments on it because it still looks amazing. So I'm gonna line my lips quick. Okay, this is a bit dark, but we fix. Okay, so I always forget how pigmented these lip liners are, but we're gonna fix it and it'll look better, so it won't be as dark. So I'm gonna take my Stila my liquid lip, and I'm just gonna apply. So when this dries in about 2 seconds, because it will dry very quick, I'm going to add on the MAC shot of color lip oil. You had seen this in my haul video, and I have used it a million times since, and I'm actually obsessed with it. It's not sticky, it's actually perfect. So now I can add this to my list of like loved lip glosses. I'm not going to use anything with sparkles in it because there's a lot of sparkle in the eye, and I don't want to be crazy and start adding it to the lips as well, because then I feel like it's going to be a bit too much on the sparkle. But we're going to just add this. This is the shade, what shade is this? It's called Punch Drunk Love, and I'm still obsessed with this cute little applicator. It's like a little boot, so it's not too wet, but it's like perfectly like shiny, I think. Now we're gonna spray. I'm gonna use the Morphe Luminous Setting Spray to set my makeup. Fix the hair. Okay, so this is the finished product. If you want to try this at home, you definitely can. It doesn't take a long time. It takes longer in the video because I'm explaining it, but this is a very quick way to have a glam. You can change the colors, you can do whatever you want. Less foundation, more bronzer, less highlighter, whatever you feel, different lip color. But this is the easiest glam and the fastest way to get out the door really, really quick when you have somewhere to go and not a lot of time to get ready. I've nailed this look real quick now. I change up the colors and it's quick and ready to go. So yeah, you should definitely try out this look. If you like this video and you want to see more, please like, subscribe, and comment down below. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.